How to limit Instagram usage. If you want to spend less time on Instagram and focus on other activities, you can easily set limits on your app usage. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you manage your Instagram time. Open the Instagram app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the settings. Select your activity from the list. In the Your Activity section, find and tap on Time Spent. This is where you can view your daily average usage. To set a limit, tap Daily Limit. Choose how much time you want to spend on Instagram each day. I'll select 30 minutes. Once these settings are applied, Instagram will notify you when you have used up your daily limit. With these simple steps, you can reduce your time on Instagram and focus on what's more important to you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to follow for more tips and tricks.